Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to access Cleo's premium features. Now unlock Cleo's next level financial tool by accessing premium features, and here's how you can subscribe to that. All you got to do is open the Cleo app. So launch the app and log into your account, and then you're going to tap settings or accounts. Now look for an option that mentions Cleo Plus or premium services. And here you can review what's included. So premium features often include larger cash advances as well as credit building tools and advanced budgeting options. Next, just choose a subscription plan. You can pick monthly or yearly, of course, depending on your budget. And next, you're going to confirm the purchase. So follow your app store's payment instructions to complete the upgrade. Upgrading to Cleo Plus, Cleo Premium can give you the tools that you need to accelerate your financial goals. Pretty useful. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I will see you in the next one.